Good morning, student. Again, welcome in my YouTube class. Now today, again we will discuss about the playing with numbers. Now the topic is prime numbers and composite number. What is the prime number? The number which are divided by itself or one. In other language we can say the number which have no common factor except the one is known as the prime number. या फिर which have any number which are divided by itself or one is known as prime number. Prime number the number which are divided by one or itself, right? Like 2, it is divided by 2 or 2, 3 and 1. The number which are divided by itself or 1 is known as the prime number, or we can say a number which have only two factors. A number which have only two factors is known as the prime number. Like this, 2 have only two factors, 1 and 2. 3 have two factors, 1 and 5. It is clear? A number which are divided by itself or 1 is known as prime number, or in other language we can say the number which have two factors is known as prime number. Second one is the composite number, right? Composite number, a number which have more than three factors. A number which have more than three factors. Example, 4. The factor of 4 is factor of 4. 4 is divided by 1, 4 is divided by 2 and 4 is divided by 4. The number 4 is divided by 1, 2 and 4. जो आपका नंबर 4 है वो 1 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, 2 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है और 4 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. It means a number which have more than two factors is known as a composite number. Okay. Similarly, even number, the number which are divided by 2. If any number which are completely divided by 2 is known as the prime number. It is known as the even number. Even number हो गया, उसी तरह odd number होगा. Even number. Any number which are completely divided by 2. A number which are completely divided by 2 is called even number. Example, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. 4 is also divided by 2, 6 is also divided by 2, 8 is also divided by 2 and 10 is also divided by 2. If any number which are completely divided by 2 is known as even number. Similarly, odd number which are which number, the number या फिर any number which are not completely divided by 2 is called odd. It is clear? If any number is divided by 2 is known as the even number, but if any number which are not completely divided by 2 is known as the odd number. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8. How can check here? If we divide 2 by 9, 2 4 are 8 and 1 is remainder. If we divide any number, if there is a remainder, then we can say it is not a prime number. If we divide any number with 2, if there is no remainder, it means remainder is 0, then we can say it is the even number. What is the smallest prime number? Question is, what is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, and what is the smallest odd number? We can say 1 is the smallest odd number. It is clear? On the behalf of this, we should try to solve our exercise. Before the exercise, there is a size of the Eratosthenes. There is a practical on the page number 52. There is a counting number from 1 to 100, and we have to cross circles and color with the different color for denoting the prime number, even number, odd number, etc. You will try for practice to find the even, odd and composite number on the given table. Let us start exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 is the some true false question is given and state whether the true or false what is given. Question number first of exercise 3.2 is given. Find the sum of odd numbers and even number. Okay, find the sum of any two odd number and even number. Check, solve करते हैं. Sum of any two odd number. What is the result? Let us start A. Suppose 3 plus 1. 3 is odd number. 1 is also odd number. 1 plus 3, 4. That is even number. Second, 5 plus 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. It is also even number. Third one, 9 plus 3. 9 3, 12. It is also number. It means the sum of any two odd number we always get a even number. The sum of any two odd number is an even. Okay, the sum of any two odd number is a even number. It is clear. You can take different example like 31 plus 3, 73 plus 5. You will add, then you will check there is a even number. It is clear. Second part is given. Find the sum of any two even number. Okay, let us see. 2 is the even number and 4 is also number. 4 to 6, it is also even number. Second, 6 plus 4. The sum of 6 plus 4 is 10. It is also even number. the sum of 8 plus 4, it is also even number. It means again we check the sum of any two even number is a even number. The sum of any two even number is a even number. Is clear? When we add two even number, then its result is again a even number. But when we add two odd number, its result is also even number. It is clear? Okay. Now let us start question number second here. Question second is given. State true or false. The sum of three odd number is even. The sum we have to check the sum of three odd number. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5. 5 3 8 plus 1. It is 9. 9 is odd number. Question say the sum of three odd number is even number. It is false. Because the sum of three odd number is a odd number, not even number. Second is given. Second is given. The sum of two odd number and one even number is given. The sum of two odd number 1 plus 3 and an even number. The sum of two odd number and even number 3 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. It is even number. Question say it is even number. It means it is true. Question third is okay. Question C. The product of three odd number is odd number. Question 3 is it means C. The product of 1 3 into 5. 3 5 जा 15. 15 में जा 15. तो ये बोला है किसी भी थ्री भी ऑड नंबर का हम प्रोडक्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपका बोला है इज अ इवन नंबर. इट इज क्लियर. क्वेश्चन से द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री ऑड नंबर इज ऑड नंबर. ये आपका प्रूव हो रहा है. डी बोला है क्वेश्चन नंबर इफ एन इवन नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 2 द क्वोशिएंट इज ऑलवेज ऑड. चेक करते हैं. सपोज ये आपका 2 है. ओके 2 9 जा 18. ठीक. ये आपको ऑड है. अगर मैं 4 कर रहा हूँ 2 2 जा 4 ये इवन हो रहा है. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन बोला है अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इफ वी डिवाइड एनी इवन नंबर दैट इट्स क्वोशिएंट बी ऑड नंबर. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी बिकॉज इट मे बी द ऑड नंबर और इट मे बी द इवन नंबर. इट मीन्स दिस इज फॉल्स. Right? E. All the prime number or odd number. All the prime number or odd number, no. Because 2 is smallest even prime number. You should note it. 2 is the smallest even prime number. But question say all the prime number are odd. It is false. Because 2 is a even number but 2 is a prime number also. F is given. Prime number do not have any factor. Prime number do not have any factor. Prime number have two factor. One or itself. ये false हो गया. Right? Prime number have two factor, one and itself. F is okay. Now the question of F G. G is here. question part G is given. The sum of two prime number is always even number. The sum of two prime number is always even number. चेक करते हैं two prime number. Okay. 2 is and 3 5. 2 is also prime number and 3 is also prime number. But the sum of two prime number is odd number. But question say the sum of two prime number is always even number. It is false. H 2 is only even prime number. ये आपका 2 है. मैंने अभी नोट में लिखा था. I is given. All the even number are composite number. False. Because 2 is a even number, but it is not a composite number. It is a prime number. It means it is a false. J, the last portion of this question. The product of two even number is always even number. ये true है. Like the product of two even number. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 5, 6, 12. It means you will check if the product of two even number is always number. It is clear. It means this question is correct. It is clear. Now question number 3 is given. Okay. Question number 3 is given. 13 is a prime number and its reverse is also prime number. This 13 is a prime number. 31 is also prime number. Suppose if 23 is a prime number but it converts 32, it is not prime number. ओके, अगर हम 13 लिख रहे हैं तो उसके जस्ट उसका रिवर्स देख रहे हैं, वो भी आपको प्राइम नंबर है. इसी तरह से आपको नंबर फाइंड करना है which number have prime number and its reverse is also prime number. Like if we write 17, 71, ये भी आपका 70 और 71 it is a prime number and its reverse is also prime number, right? Next 37 and 73 is also prime number. Okay, after that last one is a 79 and 97 is also prime number. It is your final result. Okay, these number are prime number and its converse is also prime number. It is your final result of question number 2. Question number 33 है 4 है. Write down the separate prime number and composite number less than 2. तो you will try सेपरेट करना है आपको 20 से लेस देन में कौन प्राइम नंबर कौन कंपोजिट नंबर है. तो यू कैन ट्राई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5, 6 होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 5 and 6. ओके, now it is clear. 4, 5 and 6 is a homework. You will try. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks to everyone and have a nice day.